everyone, in this tutorial we will be going over the 4 basic macrame knots: the lark's head knot, the square knot, the double half hitch knot, and the gathering knot. If you are interested, I do have a 50 knots and sentence tutorial as well as a free 50 knots and sentence ebook. Please see the video description below for further details. To make a lark's head knot, you need to fold one strand of cord in half and attach it onto an object or another strand of cord by taking the loop end through the back and then pulling the other ends through the loop. Pull on the cord ends to tighten the knot. To make a square knot, you need 4 strands of cord. Here I will show you how to make a left-facing square knot. Take the far left cord and fold it over the right 2 cords, and then take the far right cord through the back and through the left loop. Then do the reverse by taking the right cord over the left 2 cords and then taking the far left cord through the back and through the right loop. Pull on the cord ends to tighten. To make a double half hitch knot, you'll need an anchor cord. We will use the far right cord as the anchor cord and the cord next to it on the left as the working cord. Make a loop over the far right cord, and then on the second hitch knot, take the far right cord and make another loop on that same anchor cord. To make the gathering knot, there's usually filler cords in the middle as anchor cords, and then one longer working cord to make the gathering knot. Take the working cord and make a loop and hold that loop with the filler cords. Then take the other end of the working cord and start wrapping it around to make the gathering knot. Wrap it around several times. Then, taking that same end, thread it through the loop that you had made in the beginning. To tighten the gathering knot, pull on the top end of the working cord until the loop end is underneath the gathered part of the knot. All you have to do now is cut off the excess cord from both sides of the gathering knot, and the knot is then complete. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.